Halo, ketemu kembali dengan saya Neliana Sitanggang dalam Jispa Japan EFF Scholarship Program for Asia. Program beasiswa Jepang untuk Asia. Yuk kita bahas matematika. Let us study together. Go! Number 1. The topic of number 1 about matrix. Let A equals to in the bracket 1, 2, 1, 1 and B equals to in the bracket 1, 0, 0, 2. Find A inverse times B. Solve or answer. Let us. If the matrix A equals to in the bracket A, B, C, D. So the formula or the A inverse equals to 1 slash A times D minus B times C. A inverse, the formula 1 slash A times D minus B times C in the bracket. This is change place. D A. This is in place but the positive become negative and so on. So this is minus B minus C. Now let the the matrix A 1, 2, 1, 1. It means A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 1, D equals to 1. So 1 slash E times D minus B times C. 1 times 1 minus 2 times 1. In the bracket, this is the change place. 1, 1. This is became minus 2, minus 1. So, A inverse 1 slash 1 minus 2 equals to 1. In the bracket, 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 1. And then we get it. A inverse minus 1 times 1 minus 1 minus times minus become positive and negative. So A inverse times B, this is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 times in the bracket 1, 2, 0, 0, 2 equals to, remember the formula or multiply two matrix. This is, we get 1 minus 1 times 1 plus 2 times 0. And this is minus 1 times 0 plus 2 times 2. This is 1 times 1 plus minus 1 times 0. And this is 1 times 0 plus minus 1 times 2. The end, the answer we get it. Minus 1 plus 0 equals to minus 1. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 minus 2 equals minus 2. This is the answer. A inverse times B. Okay, let us go on to number 2. The first derivative of the function below y equals 2 in the bracket h minus 1 times 2 h equal minus h times plus 3. Okay, solve. Let y equals to U times V. And their formula, derivative, the first derivative, the function U derivative V plus U derivative times V action. Let U equals to H minus 1. The action is 1. Y, no, V equals to 2 times H squared minus H plus 3. So V action, or the first derivative, the symbol is action, equals to 4 times H minus 1. And we go on. Y action equals to U action times V plus U times V action. Let it. U action we have 1 times V, we have 2 H squared minus H plus 3 plus U H minus 1 times V action 4 times H minus 1, and then we get it 2 times H squared minus H plus 3 plus 4 times H squared minus H minus 4 times H plus 1. And finally we get it like this. Y action equals to 2 times H squared plus 4 times H squared minus H minus H minus 4 times H plus 1 plus 3. And then we have like this. Y action equals to 6 times H squared minus 6 times H plus 4. And finally we get it the answer. Let us go to number 3. Number 3, evaluate the following sum. This is sum. Keep from 1 until this in the bracket 0.4 to the power key equals to answer. This is the symbol of sum. The symbol sigma, it means the sum. So this symbol we can get, or we can make like this. Okay, to the power key from 1 until the biggest. Okay, equals to 0.4 to the power 1 plus in the bracket 0.4 to the power 3 plus 0.4 to the power 3 and blank blank blank. Okay, this is the form of geometry degree. This is A, we have 0.4 and R equals to 0.4. This is the formula. Now we let this A and R to this formula. So we have S equals to S biggest equals to 0.4 slash 1 minus 0.4 equals to 0.4 slash 0.6 equals to 4 slash 6 equals to 2 slash 3. Okay, finish the 3 number today. We let we study together about mathematics Jispa. Thank you for your attention, and uh, and see you to the next time for the next item with mathematics next time with maths. Thank you.